today's video, I'm going to show you how to get that perfect claw clip ponytail like this that doesn't flop down and look sad. The key to getting your claw clip ponytail to sit in the perfect spot on your head and not flop is where you put your claw clip. Now, again, there's going to be nuance here depending on your particular hair. The size of the claw clip you use and how long your hair is are going to affect how this works. If you have longer hair, you may have to adjust where you clip the claw clip. Take what you learn in this video and then play around with it, because if your hair is a lot longer than mine or a lot shorter than mine, the length is going to change the outcome depending on where you clip it. It's also going to be dependent on what size of clip you use. There's going to be a big difference if I use this claw clip, which I can use, or this claw clip, but the results are not going to be the same. First, we will start out by just doing the claw clip ponytail the way that it works best for my hair. And the clip that I usually use is a smaller one because my hair is not very long. I want to leave a lot of hair that can flop. If your hair is really long, you can definitely go with a bigger clip to eat up some of that hair if you don't want your ponytail section to be too long.
To create your ponytail claw clip, you're going to gather your hair in a ponytail in your hands and then start to twist it to make yourself a nice secure base. Get a nice strong twist and then pull it up against your head. And you don't want to clip too low. You want to make sure you clip up above where the twist is, not where it's twisted together, but where the twist all comes together. If you clip right there, you are going to be able to fan the hair out over your claw clip and get that really nice, pretty, voluminous looking ponytail that everybody always likes. But let me show you what happens if you clip a little bit too high. And this is a mistake a lot of people make. If you clip too high, and this is what you end up with. And some people think it's just that their hair is too thin when it's really that you've just clipped your hair in the wrong spot. So now we're going to do it again, but I'm going to show you if you use a clip that's too big, what happens. So if you only have a clip like this and you try to do it, you're not going to be able to be successful. But one thing you can do is slide your clip down a little bit further and not utilize as much of the clip, and then you can still get that ponytail look, even if you're using a clip that is too big for your hair. So we're going to do it one more time, and I'm going to put the clip, again, not too low, because if you put it too low, I'll show you here, if you put it too low down there, then you're going to get a really low ponytail. So it's not wrong if that's what you're looking for, but most of the time people are looking for a higher up ponytail, but if you want to make your ponytail look a little bit longer, you can put it down there like that.
As you can see, from the front, you cannot see the top of my ponytail. And the way that you would achieve that is simply by doing it up higher on your head. Same thing we were doing from the back, but twisting it up higher. So this time, instead of twisting it at the back of my head, I'm twisting it up towards the crown of my head. I'm clipping that base, and I'm flipping it into a ponytail. Same thing. So where you place your twist, where you place your clip, what size the clip is, it's how you're going to determine what your little claw clip ponytail looks like. You are in control. It is all up to you how it looks. And once you get confident in manipulating your hair and using your hair accessories, it will get so much easier. So don't forget to practice, because practice is what's going to create progress. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and as usual, I'll do my best to answer those for you. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff to grow the channel. Share my videos with your friends so we can get new followers. I will see you next time. Bye.